Bitcoin money is one of those digital currencies that many individuals have known about, however don't actually have any idea what it is. BCH is still frequently seen as only Bitcoin's side grade and just talked about with regards to examining Bitcoin forks. Be that as it may, the Bitcoin money of today isn't the very same coin it was in 2017. BCH itself likewise went through a hard fork. In 2018, it split into Bitcoin ABC, presently known as Bitcoin Money, and Bitcoin SV, Satoshi's Vision. Numerous commercial centers still just acknowledge BTC as installment, leaving out all the altcoins. Bitcoin Money has a somewhat inquisitive cost history. At the hour of composing this video, in February 2022, the coin is worth nearly as much as in 2017. As send-off, the BCH cost was around $440, while now it's floating around in the $300 to $350 territory. As a matter of fact, what separates BCH from other well-known digital currencies like the first Bitcoin or Ethereum is the means by which minimal powerful its cost had throughout the long term. In spite of the fact that there were some cost spikes, the worth of Bitcoin money basically consistently returned to the $300 to $400 territory. Most other digital forms of money that get positioned in the main 30 by market cap ordinarily see their typical costs ascend throughout the years, yet not BCH. From one viewpoint, that should be visible as something to be thankful for. All things considered, digital currencies are frequently censured for being unpredictable. However, on the other, it brings up a great deal of issues. At any point can BCH break out of this example and hit another most extreme cost as well as increment its typical worth, as well? The truth will come out at some point. Right now, we can call attention to that authentic information shows the overall strength of this coin and its protection from market slumps. Bitcoin money value expectations for 2022 by specialists. Cryptographic money costs are famously unstable and in this way close to difficult to anticipate. Be that as it may, it can in any case be helpful to take a gander at various specialists' thought process might happen to the worth of a resource later on. Bitcoin money is at present, starting around February 18, 2022, position 27th by market capitalization. It is a notable and deeply grounded coin that has proactively cut out a spot for itself in the digital currency market. Subsequently, there are a ton of crypto dealers, financial backers, and different specialists watching it and attempting to make a Bitcoin money gauge. Here are a portion of the Bitcoin money cost forecasts we have seen. Is bullish on BCH. Their Bitcoin money cost gauge has the coin multiplying in esteem in only a year. Their specialists additionally anticipate that BCH should get more than the $1,100 mark by 2026, a without a doubt extremely hopeful expectation. Y considers Bitcoin money to be a decent long-haul speculation, however is as yet negative on it temporarily. Likewise bullish on BCH in the long haul, however their Bitcoin money figure is somewhat more moderate. Their specialists foresee that rather than 100%, the coin will as it were develop by 33% in a year. Notwithstanding, it must be noticed that their Bitcoin money forecast is somewhat unusual. They are anticipating that this digital currency should drop down to as low as $30 and could in fact see it possibly arriving at the very least cost of $16. Besides, they're anticipating that this will happen only a brief time before the coin hits $400. As a famous, deep-rooted digital currency with a strong specialized establishment and an extraordinary local area backing it, Bitcoin money does, in principle, can possibly go to the moon again soon. Notwithstanding, that will rely heavily on how the digital money market acts in the following couple of months and how it answers any likely guidelines. In the event that all works out positively, and the crypto market keeps on following the direction it laid out for itself in 2017 to 2021, then BCH will have development potential and will be a wise venture. Cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin money, which work with fast and proficient crypto exchanges, likewise stand to acquire a ton on the off chance that computerized monetary standards become the standard in regular installments. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin money costs expected in 2022, The base expense of Bitcoin money will be $129.66. The greatest level that the BCH cost can reach is $144.29. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $134.39. BCH value gauge for September 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Bitcoin money toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical BCH pace of $124.20 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $113.55 and at $127.74, individually. October 2022, Bitcoin money value figure. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the BCH cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $123.19, while the most extreme could reach $133.95 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin money may be around $127.92. BCH value conjecture for November 2022. Crypto experts have really looked at the value changes of Bitcoin money in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal BCH rate they foresee may be around $130.48 in November 2022. It can drop to $124.57 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $139.07. December 2022, Bitcoin money value conjecture. Around mid-year 2022, the BCH cost will be exchanged at $134.39 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitcoin money worth to $144.29. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $129.66 in December 2022. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Bitcoin money in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Bitcoin money will be around $184.79. The greatest expected BCH cost might be around $225.05. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $191.51 in 2023. Bitcoin money value forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Bitcoin money, in 2024, BCH is supposed